Okay, thanks for the introduction and thank you all for joining this symposium. I'm Yusuke MIYAO. I'm mainly responsible for the evaluation and fine-tuning of LLM in this LLM-JP project. And I'd like to mainly talk about the evaluation of LLMs for the Japanese language understanding capabilities in this talk. So, as you know, the evaluation of large language models is quite intensive research area these days, but most of the work is on English mainly, and maybe some Chinese. So it's really important to work on specific local languages to truly evaluate the language capabilities of large language models. So in our project, we aim to establish datasets and methodologies for evaluating large language models, focusing on Japanese understanding capabilities. And in this talk, I would like to introduce some of our efforts, like the development of datasets and tools, and also some analysis research, and also our effort to develop a community for shared standards and collaborative evaluation. So first, this is about datasets. So you, of course, obviously you need evaluation datasets. We have been developing datasets for Japanese in multiple ways. The one thing is that we collect various datasets for traditional NLP tasks developed before, like question answering and parsing. And also we developed translations of popular benchmarks in English like GPQA and Humanities Last Exam. And also we have been developing novel Japanese datasets from scratch in order to evaluate some specific aspects of Japanese capabilities. So we have several datasets we have been developing, but I don't have time to explain all of them. So let me just mention one thing called J-Culture. This is an evaluation dataset focusing on Japanese cultural knowledge. So this is one example. Please tell me the size of Japanese shinsho. So shinsho is a specific type of books in Japan. So you need some local knowledge to answer this type of questions. So the bottom table shows evaluation results using these benchmark datasets. So this is the results of the 5-point scale. So the 3 should be the medium, but all of the results are still under the 0.3. So that this dataset seems difficult for the current large language models. And this is a tool we have been developing called LLM-JP Eval. Kurohashi Sensei mentioned this in his talk. So this is a unified framework for evaluating Japanese language understanding. So as I mentioned, we have various diverse datasets for Japanese understanding evaluation. So we, by using this tool, so you can run the evaluation on all of those datasets listed in the right-hand side table, including natural language inference, question answering, and so on. So that, actually this tool is used for the development process of our LLM-JP models. And but this tool is mainly focused on problems that have a clear answer or the standard evaluation process. But as you know, currently we have more diverse tasks. So we have another tool for such kind of tasks. As I will mention them later. So by using this LLM-JP Eval, we also have a leaderboard focusing on Japanese. So this is publicly available on the Hugging Face platform. So we use the LLM-JP Eval in the backend server. So that any user can submit your model to this leaderboard, then runs the LLM-JP Eval in the backend. Then the results of the evaluation of your model will be shown in this table. So here we are currently developing the version 2, which will be released, hopefully in December soon. Okay. Then, so this is another tool for evaluation called LLM-JP Judge. So yeah, this tool is focused on the evaluation by LLM as a judge. So this tool supports several data sets. Like I mentioned, the J culture. So this is this data set includes diverse questions that cannot be simply judged by traditional evaluation methodologies. So we rely on LLM as a judge here. And also we have a popular benchmark like MT-Bench. And also, I suppose this will be mentioned in the next talk by Sekine Sensei. So that we have safety benchmarks called Answer Carefully and their derivatives, which is focused on the evaluating safety aspects of LLMs. So this tool also supports those benchmarks. We also verified the correlation with human judgment, as shown in the bottom figure. So the positive side is that the correlation score is quite high. It's over 0.9, so it's highly correlated. But as you can also see that I cannot use the sorry, and sorry, let me go back. As you see in the bottom figure, especially for example, the correctness, the leftmost figure, the y-axis is the score by LLM, and the x-axis is by human judgment. So it's really this figure shows that LLMs tends to give a higher score than human judges. It means that the correctness evaluation by LLM is somewhat loose compared to human judges. So of course, how we can have more consistent evaluation results should be a research issue. Then we also have several research activities about the analysis of the evaluation results. So this figure shows the learning curve of the LLMs. So the x-axis is the number of tokens, training tokens, and the y-axis is the evaluation by LLM-JP eval. So different lines show the models with different parameter sizes. So you can see that for example, the relationship between the parameter size and the number of tokens trained against the downstream performance. And what should be interesting here is that the right-hand side figures, they show the evaluation results for every category of downstream tasks. So for example, the middle one is for the mathematical reasoning. So this figure shows a slightly different curves from the other tasks, like the performance increase happens only in the later side, the later stage of the training, for example. So we are having this kind of analysis now. And this is another analysis research which was presented recently at the EMNLP. And this is to evaluate the impact of the base models and the fine-tuning data sets on the downstream tasks. So we fine-tuned various combinations of base models and fine-tuning data sets, then evaluated the impacts on the specific benchmarks. So this work is actually not focused specifically on Japanese, but we also evaluated cross-lingual transfer. So quite many results here, so I cannot tell the detail now, but this work will be presented at the poster session today, so please come to the poster for discussing the details. Okay, so this is the last one. So we are also running a competition for evaluation and fine-tuning. So this is to make various research teams in Japan to work on the same focused task. So we are actually we also provide computing resources for joining this competition. So actually, I don't really remember the exact number, but more than 40 teams are participating this year. So this year's competition is a second round, running from October until March. So please see the final results published in coming March. Okay, that's it from me. So we are developing open datasets and tools. And also we are working on various analysis research to investigate the inside of LLMs for the Japanese language proficiency. And also we are organizing the competitions for developing the community. Then the final message is that evaluating and analyzing local language capabilities is quite critical for advancing multilingual large language models. So basically our team is open. So if you're interested, please join us. Okay, thank you.